Hey everybody, welcome back. And so I'm going to go ahead and install the Android 14 beta, the public beta version 1 on my Google Pixel 6. Figured I'd throw it on the Pixel 6 since it has a Tensor chip. My Pixel 7 is going to remain on Android 13. I'm not going to put that in the beta program just because I do understand and know that there's going to be some slight issues, maybe some bugs and stuff like that I'm going to run across, and definitely don't want that on my main device. So right now, it's booting up, and you just get your little notification about being in the beta program and what to expect. To be honest with everybody that's going to be installing this, hopefully y'all are also intending on reporting back to the feedback app so that way that they can fix these bugs. I can say this, and maybe it sounds like I'm reaching, and maybe it just sounds like I'm being, an a-hole, but there's like a ton of people that installed beta and expect it to work flawless like it's fully released, and it's not even a fully released version, right? We get to beta test it and make sure that everything is solid with it. So if you're not reporting back with the feedback app, then you're not really helping the cause if you're complaining about instability. But other than that, some things you'll recognize here is like, one, it doesn't say Android 14 where it shows the Android version. It says upside down cake, which is the dessert flavor for this Android, even though they don't really emphasize that anymore, which I think is weird. I think they should go back to just emphasizing the dessert cakes. Those are fun. But anyways, yeah. So if you move the clock to 2 o'clock or 2 p.m., 2 a.m., whatever, right? It still shows 13 instead of 14. So we'll probably see that change probably in beta 2 or beta 3. Um, yeah. If you're expecting like drastic user interface changes, there's not. There's not any major changes to that. But of course, I'm going to make a video going over what features are new in Android 14 that, I think most people should know about. And also, I'll be comparing it by using the Pixel 7 side by side and just, kind of showing you guys any type of differences that I see. As of right now, I'm just kind of peeking through normal stuff that I normally go through just to kind of see if I see anything different. But until then, yeah, I just need some time to really just kind of use it and see what happens. Also, if there's any bug issues and I find any workaround fixes for them or whatever, I'll be definitely making some videos. So yeah, we're now beginning our journey again into the Android beta for Android beta 14, and tons of videos coming down the road. Just to kind of discuss it, anything new, anything changes, I'll definitely let you guys know. But yeah, so if you guys took the beta, what is your guys' thoughts on it? Let me know in the comments. Sound off. We'd appreciate that. Thanks for checking out this video. You guys are amazing. You guys come in clutch. I'm also doing live streaming video gaming on the second channel, so subscribe to that. I'll put the link in the description for you guys so you guys can check it out today. But other than that, thanks for peeping the video. Y'all be cool, and happy Friday, Junior.